So for that you have to open your Windows 11 settings. You can click on this here and click on the settings icon to open settings first, or you can simply press Windows I on your keyboard to open settings. So once you have opened the settings, you will have to go to the personalization settings here. You have to click on that, and here you will find the theme settings. You have to click on that. In here, if you scroll down, you will see desktop icon settings. In the related settings, you have to click on here. It will open the desktop icon settings. In here you have to check the control panel option and click on apply. So let's check on desktop if the icon is appearing or not. Shortcut basically. As you can see, the control panel is showing on the desktop. So that's how you can create control panel shortcut in Windows 11 in the desktop. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.